What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. We're going to jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2013 Hyundai Sonata with low miles, and they're only asking like $5,600 for it. Seems like a good deal, maybe even too good to be true. So I decided we'd come out here and check this one out for ourselves, and so far, this may be well worth it. I think it's only got 80,000 miles on the odometer. Not bad. Good time. Oh. Oops. And there it is. Yeah, guys, I knew about it, obviously. I was just kind of, you know, I think some of the insurance companies are getting a little carried away with this market. You know, they think that the market is just so inflated, it's hyper inflated right now, to the point that they could get like retail out of a salvaged car. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what retail currently would be on a 2013 Sonata with 88,000 miles if it was in good condition. I have no idea. I would guess $7,500. That's just a guess off the top of my head, but I obviously can't tell you because I'm not looking at a computer. So this has been hit by a deer, or should I say, a deer was hit by this. How do I know that? Well, I can see the fur all over it. It's real sad. I really hate to see things like that. But yeah, there's tufts of deer hair everywhere, all over this. So this was a collision with a deer, not another vehicle. I think the majority of the damage, in fact, I bet all of it, is just superficial. You're going to need a fender, the fender rail, I guess, or the fender apron in there. That is nice and straight. Core support still looks like it is intact. You're just going to need to replace the fender, the inner fender, the fender liner, the bumper, the headlight, you know, and the hood. The hood is damaged as well. And then somehow, I guess, it hit the door. That, I don't know how that happened, but obviously it impacted the door, and you have some flesh from the deer with pieces of its hair all through here as well, and it actually dented this door right here. It creased it. This has got some dents in it. Now, you guys know me, I'm not going to replace this door over a tiny little ding right there. This door, obviously, that door is done. So, you know, if you buy this car, you're going to get a salvage title, you're going to need a door, you're going to need a fender, you're going to need a hood, you're going to need a bumper, you're going to need a headlight, the associated brackets, and then you will have yourself a relatively low miles and very nice condition 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Am I going to pay that for this car? Not a chance, man. Over $5,000. You're talking about out the door with fees, probably in the neighborhood of $6,500 for a salvage title car? No, that's just not going to happen. And you got to find paint matched parts, okay? Now you can do that on like carpart.com, eBay. You can get the RPO code is somewhere in there. You can find the paint code off of that, and you can get the bumper, the hood, the fender, and the door painted to match. Probably won't ever match perfectly. All cars age differently, but you know, it'd be close enough. Close enough. Now the interior does look really, really nice. Like, this is a very clean car, so obviously somebody took exceptional care of it. It smells good. No funky smells going on in there. We'll go ahead and see if she wants to fire up. I'm sure it will. I mean, I'm not ragging on the car itself. It's just the price, I think, is outrageous. Then again, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is a $15,000 car, and I just am undervaluing it myself. That's totally possible. So I don't have Kelley Blue Book in front of me, and I'm not going to take the time to do it. But if any of you want to comment down below what a 2013 Hyundai Sonata with 88,000 miles on the odometer with a salvage title would be worth, definitely let me know. It runs great. Reverse, drive, of course. The important window works. I'm sure the air conditioning works as well. Let's pop the hood and the trunk. Something rattling under the hood there. Trunk is nice. It's very clean. Still got the cargo net. Like, this is a very, very well cared for car. That much is obvious. So I'm not saying that the car isn't a good car. I'm certain that this would make somebody a wonderful car. I just don't know that it's worth what they're asking for it. And there is definitely a, sounds like an accessory noise going on down there. Look, somebody put an interstate battery in it as well. And like I said, that inner fender right there, that fender apron, that is in good shape. This core support, or this tie bar, this tie-in bar right here, this unbolts, but it is also in very good shape. I don't see any damage to any of this. It's just cosmetic. Yeah, absolutely. This could be made into a really nice car for somebody. Definitely could. Looks like it's going to need a set of tires fairly soon, but they're still usable tires. The AC is cold. I mean, it runs and drives. Even got a key fob. Yeah, power locks, power trunk release, all that good stuff. I don't know. For me though, guys, she's too rich for my blood. Next on my list, a 2015 Maserati Ghibli. Yeah, it's listed as a non-runner. I can't imagine why. Like, all the wires and everything, they're completely destroyed under the hood. Might have something to do with it. And then again, maybe it's because it has no key. It's got 66,592 miles on the odometer, and it used to be a looker of a car. She really was. This was a nice vehicle. I've really got a thing for these Maseratis. I should know better after watching a lot of other people on YouTube that have suffered the wrath that is Maserati, but for some reason, I feel the need to someday, eventually, torture myself with one of these. I really, really want to. Obviously, this is not the one. The hood is not going to open. It is stuck closed. Look at just the mess of wires in here. I mean, holy crap. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's probably got some pretty significant frame damage. Oh yeah, there's no frame rail left over here. It's gone. Yep, folded up. Yeah. Let's take a look at the interior though. Oh, it's got power and it has keys. It says no key. Wait a minute, it's got keys? Hold on. It's got keys. It sure does. Uh-oh, that doesn't seem to work. No, it don't seem to work. All right. Well, hell. It won't start because the door's open. Okay, let's close the door. Let's close the door. Will it start with the door closed? No. Battery fob low. Okay. Well, yeah, it ain't gonna do nothing, guys. Boy, that key fob weighs about 40 pounds. I'm kidding, but it is super heavy. I mean, yeah, she don't do nothing, guys. You can get the accessories to come on though, I think. Yeah, we got some accessories. Boy, she took a nasty hit. I'm surprised that it still has power. I'm kind of shocked about that. She's still got juice. Let's pop the trunk. There's glitter all over the inside too. That's weird. It's like somebody was having a party up in there. Smells good. I like it. I do. I really like this car. This one is just so far gone though. Like so far gone. I wouldn't even bother with it. You got little Maserati booklets and everything back there. What do we got here? We got some Tom Ford sunglasses. Yeah, I don't know if that's a nice brand or not, but it's a nice car. At least it was. I sure hope they enjoyed it before, you know, whatever happened to it happened. It's a shame. I still think it's a beautiful car. One day, guys, one day, we're going to get something like this on the channel. Last on my list, a 2014 Dodge Charger. It's enhanced. Says it doesn't run. And you know me, I refuse to believe these cars don't run until I see it for myself. 235,000 miles. Wow. Okay, it's gonna have the 3.6 V6 under the hood. The body looks nice. How's the paint? I have no idea because it's covered in dust. You can't see it. So you're really kind of taking a risk when you buy some of these, man. It's got good tires. We'll take a look at the interior. See what it looks like. 235,000 miles. That's a lot. That's a lot. let's take a peek. See how the interior looks. Actually, it's a little dirty, but ooh. Okay. Well, I was gonna say, it doesn't smell bad. Yes, it does. It does. It smells bad. What is this? I wonder what that is. Whatever it is, it's unplugged. And it makes me think that maybe it should be plugged in. I could be wrong, but maybe it's a tracking device or something. And if it's not hooked up, maybe it interrupts the start signal. Heck, I don't know. All right, yeah, she's filthy on the inside, guys. Wow. That's pretty nasty. That is pretty nasty. Oh, gross. A good clean... Oh, you're kidding me. Wait. There's the key. There's the key. Ah, I thought someone jacked it. Push brake and push button to start. All right. The radio's on. No. It acts like you're not even pushing it. The key fob works. But the start button does not do anything. I wonder if there's a manual. I hear the fuel pump. Yeah, so I heard the fuel pump. So she's definitely trying to run, just won't. Now there's many things it could be. It could be a bad starter. It could be that someone stole the starter relay. If it has one, I'm sure it does, but someone could have stole the starter relay to prevent it from being able to start. That's a real possibility too. Let's see. Okay, fuse. I like to take a look at the fuses first. Those all look good. I wonder where the starter relay. There's the fuel pump relay, which we know works because I could hear the fuel pump coming on. So, these are spare. There's nothing even there anyway. Fan relay, vacuum, spare, starter relay right here. And then we have a radiator fan relay. So this would be your starter relay right here. And that is a cooling fan relay. So all else fails, as far as the relay is concerned, just swap them. Now, is that going to fix it? No, I'm sure it won't. 100% sure that's not going to fix anything. Oil change at 224. Does it have coolant? Ooh, that didn't sound too good, did it? Yeah, she's got coolant. She does. She's got coolant. Okay. I wonder what's wrong with the old girl. I like this generation Charger. I really do. I love the body style of this. Nothing. Like nothing. You can hear the fuel pump kicks in and everything, but no attempt by the starter to do anything at all. Nothing. Nah. Okay. Well, hell. Worth a try. At the end of the day, I didn't expect it to run. Just kind of hoped it did, because if it did, I would absolutely jump on it. I would. I'd buy it in a heartbeat. It's going cheap. Hell, maybe it's worth it. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get up out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button and let me know you liked the video. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't currently subscribed. I'd appreciate that as well. You can stay up to date with all the latest Copart walkarounds and latest car purchases. Till next time, folks, stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.